What's up, YouTube? Quick video. Craftsman M110 Lawnmower, 140cc. One of my customers, I'm working their cars usually, doing service, brought me a lawnmower, asked me, can you help me to fix this thing? Let's try it. I checked the spark. The spark was okay, but I didn't like the way there's a spark, it kind of goes around. So I replaced the spark, it did not help. So let's see, let's check the fuel, everything. Let's go and do an inspection. Okay, so I never worked on the lawnmowers before, so I hope everything will work out good. I have an idea what to do, but never work on them. I worked on the lawnmower tractors before. Then okay. Okay, that's the carb. Okay, let's see the fuels. Should be going there. It should. This, like this, like this, like this, like this. That guy's trusting me, man. I don't trust myself. Yeah, there's a fuel inside, so it's good. Fuel is going there, so it's good. Can the jet be plugged? Possible. It's probably not a good idea to take it apart because I have no rebuild kit. But well, I'm gonna take it apart anyways. On the fuel tank. Oh, oh, easy. Just like that, yes. Just like that. Okay. So let's get this thing over here now. Okay, so we gotta get this thing like this. Oh, beautiful. Okay, nice. Okay. Finally. Well, let's see what's up in here. Oh my god, it smells bad inside. It doesn't smell like a fuel at all. I don't know why it smells like it, but it doesn't smell like a fuel. Something else, but not fuel. How do I move this thing? Do you guys know? So plastic. What do you guys think? Just put it back together? I don't know what the heck to do here. So I just put it back together like it was before. And just go from there. The fuck is this? Why it's not going there anymore? That's messed up. Let's put it back together and see what's up. I hope the fuel tank. Okay, we put some fuel in. New fuel. Let's see if it's gonna start now. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, let me put this thing back. Let me put this thing back real quick. Okay. Let's try to get it running. No, no, it's not working. Quick update about the Lawnmower, Craftsman M110. You guys saw me taking the carburetor off. Try to start it after that, and it will die immediately. So the problem is fuel is not getting to the cylinder. So we ordered a new carburetor because the carburetor they don't sell parts for them. So this is the old one. I already installed a new one. I don't think you guys wanna. So this is the new one. On Amazon is like 27 bucks, I believe, 27. So we got a new carburetor from Amazon, installed it. It comes with the filter, comes with the spark plug, with everything. And now let's see how it's gonna run. So we just installed everything. I hope it will run good. Now it's working good. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe it. See you guys in the next video.